how to deliver a speech with confidence. Hello guys, this is Santosh Nimmani. Today I am going to give you 3 important tips which can be useful whenever you go for a speech, which makes your speech so confident enough. The first tip is about the first 20% of your time, or the first 10 minutes or 15 minutes. This is the crucial time which actually plays a major role for the next coming speech. So for that, you have to prepare for that first 10 minutes. For example, if you are talking about any topic, so first 10 minutes you have to talk about some definition of it or about that particular topic. So first of all, you have to prepare for that 10 minutes. Or if you are introducing about yourself, you have to prepare for the 10 minutes. You have to practice the 10 minutes as much as possible, so that the first 10 minutes makes a lot of impact in the next coming time. So if that 10 minutes or 15 minutes makes a lot of impact, definitely that confidence will carry out for the next coming minutes. That is what the first tip is. The second tip is about don't tell the audience that you are nervous. So there is a survey telling that 50% of all your nervousness will be shown by telling them. So that is what second tip is about. You should not tell them that you are nervous. Don't start your speech with telling that I am nervous, but yes, I started my speech some or other way. Don't tell this. This impacts a lot. People will start judging you. They will feel that yes, this person is nervous at this point. So obviously this makes a lot of weird feeling in you as well. So don't actually confirm that you're nervous in the starting or any place. That is the second most tip. The third tip is about questions. So starting off your particular session, if you ask some questions, you will get some time to fix your stage. So this I can compare with an example of if you're talking about cricket. Obviously a batsman will take at least 10-20 balls to actually settle down on top of that ground or in the crease. So that is what you have to do. So going on stage, you have to first of all calm down yourself and ask questions. Make up some 5 to 6 questions so that you can ask them. So in this way, they will be interacting with you. The session will be interactive, but apart from that, you can actually settle on top of that stage. So that actually makes a lot of impact. So these 3 tips can make your particular speech so confident, and yes, I know that this might help you a lot. Thank you guys. I hope you loved these 3 tips which I have given for public speaking. If you love this, please do subscribe to my channel and share it to someone which can be useful for him. Thank you and have a nice day.